Hey guys, welcome back. I apologize that I've been gone for so long. I did make a video like maybe 2 weeks ago or so, 3 weeks, I'm not even sure at this point. I forgot what it said. But I will be editing it and uploading it probably before this video, but I'm just trying to give you a couple of updates to let you know what's going on, how things are going. So the first thing that I would like to say is, since I've been on the intramuscular shot regimen for my hormones, I've had such a hard time giving myself that injection. I have to talk myself up and like literally brace myself to stab that almost 2-inch needle into my leg. And it hurts so fucking bad every time. Every time. If you are on intramuscular estrogen and they gave you a 21 gauge needle, please tell me your secret to make that not hurt. Or if it's gonna hurt every time, let me know. Tell me if it hurts every time for you too, and if you dread doing it, because I dread doing it. Like just now, I'm actually making this video because I've sat in this chair for 3 hours trying to talk myself up. Literally 3. It's 5:13, 5:14 in the morning now, and at about 2 o'clock, I was like, well, I'm already a day late. I should probably get this injection in. And here we are at 5, and I still haven't been able to do it because I know it fucking hurts. And there's just some weird force holding me back from inflicting that pain onto myself. And it's strange, and I hate it. But if you have any tips, please let me know. I would be forever grateful. But as far as changes go, I think I missed the 8-month on estrogen mark. I think that was the video that I missed uploading. The one that I'm going to edit and upload before this one. Yeah, there's not a lot to talk about. It's just, there's nothing. I would like to point out, though, that if you're researching, transitioning, and you're, like, that you have to, but you just haven't yet, and you're trying to find inspiration to take those steps, or a similar case to that, then please understand that even a few months down the road after you've started taking your hormones, it's not going to, I almost want to say it's not going to change anything. Like, people that you work with or that you're around who have known you as your guy self or your girl self before your transition, some of those people are going to have generally quite a difficult time adapting to this change. And when you go out to places, like let's say you go to Denny's or Olive Garden or somewhere, you're probably going to get misgendered unless you're just colossally fortunate that you're passing before you even start your hormones. It's not going to fix everything. It's not a cure-all for all of your problems concerning your gender. There are still going to be monumental battles that you have to fight, both within yourself and with society. And it sucks, yes, but the HrT is a tool to somewhat assist the outward appearance match the inward feeling. So just, keep that in mind whenever you're trying to look for a doctor or a therapist, and you're swooning over these girls that are already in their transition. Just keep that in mind. I'm 8 months in, and all of the precursors that have told me that I would inadvertently grow large boobs just from the estrogen, all of those benefactors in mind, obviously it didn't help. Every woman in my family, both on my dad's side and on my mom's side, are well endowed in the chest region. I have started my HrT journey before age 28, like before age 30, so like it's not like a menopausal effect to where there won't be any positive gains. And I live a fairly healthy lifestyle. I don't drink or smoke or do any drugs or anything of the sort. So why still do a lot of these girls that I see 6 and 7 months down the road behind me, I'm almost at 9 months, this month will be month 9, how come their boobs are almost double the size of mine, and I'm on the max dose of estrogen because my levels still aren't super high? It's just good luck figuring it out. It's really a dice roll and a shot in the dark whether or not you're gonna have big boobs or not. It's a lottery in the gene pool. So far, my transition has been a fairly pleasant experience. I deal with a couple of idiots at work, but I'm pretty sure you're gonna get that wherever you go. You're not going to avoid that. You know, some family members are still having a difficult time sort of hopping on board. And you know, like I stated in one of my previous videos, I did lose a cousin or two over this, and I happened to see that one of those cousins on a regular basis because we live on the same road. Sitting here at 8 months in, I can say that it's finally nice to be able to wear the clothes that I want to wear and not feel weird or attacked by it. It's nice to be able to receive feedback from other ladies on makeup and fashion and other things of this sort. And one thing I never thought I would say is it's actually really fun to go clothes shopping. You know, I wish I could give you more of an in-depth update and like tell you exactly what's going on, but the reality of the situation is there's not that much going on. The changes that are happening are extremely slow and virtually unnoticeable. So really the first 4 months are when you have a lot of things to talk about. So the first 4 months, and after the 12-month mark where you're eligible for bottom surgery, at least where I am from, everything in between, it's just, it's almost not worth mentioning, really. So I'm gonna get to editing this video and the one before it, which is weeks late, and I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I don't know, we'll go from there. We'll see what happens, and yeah. I'm not dead, I'm still here. Again, I'm sorry for being late. So, I kind of wanted to include a weird, sort of like a body change part in this video, even though there is no before pictures to compare it to. This is at least my upper body 8 months in to estrogen. I don't really have that much of a butt, and I'm sorry you can't see it. I'm filming with my phone sideways, so it's not really the most ideal. Most of this boobage is coming from a push-up bra, so don't feel bad if you're 8 months in and you have almost no boobs, because that's me. But my hair is growing phenomenally. It's almost past the belly button, which I think is amazing. My goal is to have it down to about here. Yeah, so I will let it continue to grow, and I will take care of it with the occasional trim. But yeah. Bye.